Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton and I'm back from the wormhole I disappeared down, but I've been going through the shelves trying to find items all this last few weeks to see what's back in stock for your Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I found. Okay, first up, part number 132025, the crankcase breather kit for the 71 and 72 Commando is £29.94 including VAT. Next, part number 131639, the inspection cover kit for the primary side of the Commando on the 69 to 74 versions, that is £32.34 including VAT. The swinging arm end cap seal and rod set for the 68 to 74 Commandos, that's part number 131894, is £28.74. And the Norton Commando rubber set, that's for the footrests, the kickstart and the gear lever, that's part number 131878, is £27.12 including VAT. And last up this week, 131879, that is the engine valve set inlet exhaust for the Norton Commando 750 and the 850 as well, is £83.94 including VAT. And as always, don't forget, if there's anything I've not mentioned but you'd like to know if it's back in stock, you can check the Andover Norton website, and if it's not in stock you can set yourself an email reminder. It's really simple, and if you're not sure how to do it, there is a link in the section below. It will take you through to a video which will talk you through the whole process of setting up your account, and then actually just the little tick box that you need to put down on that item, and then you'll get an email sent to you when it comes back in stock on our website. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching as always, and until next time, safe riding.